In this video, we will show you how to safely remove your child's hearing aid. First, let's review the main parts of their device. The ear mold is the part that sits inside the ear. The hearing aid sits behind their ear. The tubing connects the ear mold to the hearing aid. The sound hook is the curved part where the tubing attaches to the hearing aid. You may also hear this called a tone hook. When taking the hearing aid off, you might feel tempted to pull on the tubing or the hearing aid itself. The safest way is to gently pull from the ear mold. This helps prevent the mold or the tubing from detaching. Watch how the audiologist in this video demonstrates the best removal method. To learn more about navigating your child's hearing loss and our pediatric programs, please connect with us by visiting our website or contacting our center.